I'm here with Craig from EcoFlow to let us know about the new, for Australia at least, PowerOcean home battery system. I understand it's been sold in Europe for several years now already?
That's right, yeah. We have tens of thousands of units in the UK and German market, across Europe actually.
Yep, okay.
So we're the market leaders, global leaders in portable power stations, and we brought that technology into our home energy storage, and we're proud to present that today here at the All Energy Show.
Okay, and I noticed it's reasonably thin, 18.5 centimeters plus a small air gap, I guess, for the wall mounting?
Exactly, yeah, 18.5 centimeters.
This video was made thanks to generous support from the organisations and individuals on screen.
Each individual battery is 5 kilowatt hours. It has fire suppression and auto heating built in. There's 15 years of warranty on inverter and battery.
Okay, what percentage of battery is guaranteed at the end of 15
So after
years?
the 15 years, it's 70%.
Okay, and do you measure throughput for warranty
Not at all,
purposes?
no. It's based on the
That's interesting. A bit different from other battery brands. What about in terms of height? How many modules can you have in one stack?
So currently we can have 3 modules in a stack. As we get towards the end of the year, we'll be able to put 4 modules per stack, but these can be cascaded up to 90 kilowatt hours.
Okay, that's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
And what's this?
So that's a hybrid inverter. These inverters are available from in a 3-phase, from 6 all the way up to 29.9 kilowatts. The single phase is available from 3.68, 5, 6, and soon to be 10 and 12 as well.
Okay, because 10 kilowatt single phase is kind of a sweet spot for about 2/3, 70% of Australian homes. So hopefully that's available soon. Does that mean this is just battery modules and a BMS, and you do need a separate inverter?
Correct.
Okay, it's not integrated into the whole thing?
No, the single phase is integrated, but the 3-phase is separate.
Ah, okay, that's interesting. And what about whole home backup? Does that mean everything's backed up to 63 amps?
100 amps.
100 amps?
100 amps. So for the UK and European market, we need 100 amps, so we transfer that here as well.
Okay.
So it's true full home backup.
3 or single phase?
3 and single phase.
Okay, that's pretty good as well. I'll show some footage on the other side of this display. There's also some affiliated products that work in the whole ecosystem.
Correct, yeah. One of the big USPs about EcoFlow is the fact that you have third-party integration. So with Google Nest, Shelly, Tapo, Tado, lots of third-party products can be brought into our ecosystem, which allows the end users to have less amount of apps, less kind of confusion. It simplifies the whole management of the energy in the property.
Okay, and in terms of other EcoFlow products that integrate with this, do you have AC and DC chargers?
Yeah, so we have AC charger at the moment, available in single and 3-phase. DC and all the vehicle to grid and vehicle to home kind of stuff is coming down in the future.
Okay, will that be like a module or a separate piece of equipment?
It'll be a separate piece of equipment.
And in terms of the AC chargers that are available already, is that 7.4, 11, 22?
Exactly, yes.
Okay. And are there any other, I think I saw there's an air source heat pump. That's a bit different for Australia.
Yeah, so the ecosystem, we have our air source heat pump available in 9 and 20 kilowatt versions.
Yeah.
We have
does that connect to like an old style metal water tank?
Correct, yeah.
Right.
So obviously we leave that for the consumer or the installer to choose the hot water tank, but actually we have an air source heat pump available for that market.
Okay. That's pretty interesting. Is it available in every state? It's approved by all the grid providers?
Soon to be approved.
Soon to be approved?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do we anticipate by the new year perhaps?
Yeah, definitely. So you'll see more and more products from EcoFlow become available as we get towards the end of the year. And actually, there's some exciting things we're bringing to the Australian market, including the Ocean 2 products, which will be in Q2 next year.
Oh, okay. So this will already be
superseded.
Changed again,
yeah.
Okay.
With more improvements, which are more specific to the Australian market. So we'll have higher capacity batteries that working on inverters, and inverter sizes will be bigger as well.
Makes sense, because with the generous federal government cheaper home battery scheme, the average person is getting a lot bigger batteries. I mean, I have 30 kilowatt hours at home now, and last year I would have probably, without the rebate, got maybe 13 or 15 instead. Thanks for your time,
no
Greg.
problem. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.